Here are some DS18s. Got the 6.5s and the 4s. The specs on the 4s and the 6s. They are run at 8 ohms to make the home stereo happy. And right here is a KLH subwoofer with two, I believe they're 5.25 or 6-inch subwoofers in a bandpass box to give them the bass. The clarity is actually really good. These boxes here were KLH boxes originally. One of the pair got messed up, so I added the 4-inch. I actually had to modify the boxes to get the 4-inch in there, just widen up the box, but it worked perfectly. Couldn't put the grills on there, but I think they look pretty good like that. I can always put a mesh over that, so the original factory grills from the DS18s won't fit. But honestly, they look good. They sound actually really good. I'm pretty impressed with the sound of them. Polyfilled them, and it really helped a lot with the polyfill. There's no crossovers at all in them. It's just stock coming right out of the stereo, and they sound really good that way. They're pretty tame in those boxes as far as being overdriven and too much bass. They're actually really good. They're really good mid-range. Great little satellite speakers, and 6.5 and a 4-inch, and these are the 4-ways each, so there's a lot of highs out of them, of course. Take one more look. This is just my jam room garage setup, so they work great in here. Just an experiment to see how it would be. So yeah, anybody's thinking about doing this with the car stereo speakers, just wire them in series into each other. I believe what happens is that your lowest wattage speaker will take precedent over the higher wattage. So whatever your lowest one is in series will take the wattage value. So if this one here is a 30 watt, and I think this one's like a 50. So this one's 50 RMS to 6.5. The 4-inch is 35. So it's basically running at a 35 RMS value is what I understand with series. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they sound great though. I could crank them even louder than this and they sound great. They don't really distort. So DS18, they sound great, man. I'm starting to get into this line. I'm starting to get into the CT sounds also. So yeah, great, not off-brand, but competitive speaker companies going after you know, Sony and Alpine and Pioneer. Totally great alternative. So if anybody's interested in the DS18s, highly recommend them. I got the 6x9s in the car too, and they're awesome. Over and out.